Hello friends, here in menu you can change same settings on BYD Destroy 05. You can go here, then here, then there we read auto lock during driving. You can turn off. Then long press of switch to down window. You can turn off. Then long press of switch to up window. Turn off. Then long press of Smart Key to down window. Turn off. You can either leave it as is or change it. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.